This is not your typical hangout. Set on the historical Brunei River, you and your friends get to bond with nature. We treat you to breathtaking sights and a journey to remember as you sip on your tea or coffee. With the historic Queen Elizabeth II jetty as our starting point, we chart a fluvial course that showcases Brunei's lores and legends. We explore pristine waterways that teem with exotic fauna and cultural landscapes. Discover the Venice of the East as we take you on a wondrous journey. Our child-friendly trips allow our guests to enjoy the scenery while ensuring everyone's safety. See the country with new eyes along the waterbanks where its history began. Welcome aboard the MV Sentosa.